Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have some spreadsheet animations by Miha, a muzzle flash, a bite, and an explosion animation. Next, we have an experimental game jam hosted by Vagabond Dog. It's called the Relay Jam, where every participant gets to work on the same project in RPG Maker MV. The way it works is that you receive source files of the project, you work on it for 24 hours, and then pass it on to the next participant, who will also work on it for 24 hours before passing it on to the next one. The game jam starts from 21st of June, though you better sign up before 18th, so the host can make the schedule on who gets to work on it first. Next, some potion icons by Admurin. In plugin releases for today, we have an MV and MZ plugin by Unagi Otoro that allows us to create quests and implement a feature-rich quest system. An MZ plugin by Sub that gives us the option to assign inputs and keys to the Numeric keypad on our keyboard. And lastly, an MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that allows us to show pictures using variables. And that is all for today. Do remember and keep in mind that some MZ plugins that do not utilize Windows, plugin commands, or Pixie may work directly in MV as well. The developer may be focusing on MZ and not taking the time to test if their plugin works in MV. So if you're an MV user and you hear about an MZ plugin in this news that does something simple, you can try using it in MV. Chances are it might work.